Apereo Open Academic Environment is a multi-tenant platform which aims to take multi-tenancy to the next level. OAE multi-tenancy has been built with the permeability concept in mind, aiming to support inter-institutional collaboration, sharing, and reuse. Some of this can already be seen and used throughout the user interface, which is what we'll be using today to illustrate the permeability concept. In this particular example, we have an existing Georgia Tech tenant on which we can find Clay Fenlison, a Georgia Tech user. We also have an existing Marist College tenant on which we can find Josh Barron, a Marist College user. Both are researchers that would like to collaborate together on a research project. The starting point of this scenario is that both of these tenants are configured to be private tenants, which means that their data will be separated from each other and they will not be able to interact with each other. This mimics the scenario where each institution has its own installation, except for the fact that they are still taking advantage of some of the benefits of using a multi-tenant system. As we can now see, it is not possible for Clay to share items with Josh, nor will he be able to invite him into his groups. However, if we now go into the system, into the global administration UI as a global administrator, we can reconfigure both of these tenants to be permeable, in which case the users of both of those tenants should start to be able to collaborate with each other. In this case, I should now actually be able to share items with Josh. And it will tell me that Josh is from Marist College. Okay. I should also be able to invite Josh into my groups. On top of that, Clay should now also be able to find public content discussions, people and groups from Marist College. Which he can then reuse in his own collaborations. If you now look at this from Josh's point of view, he can see all of the changes that have happened and he can start to collaborate with Clay from within his own tenant. In this particular case, he'll be posting a comment to the file that was uploaded by Clay. Obviously, Clay and Josh can still use OAE's flexible permissions to prevent people from other permeable tenants to find and interact with certain content items, discussions, or groups. In other words, the permeability feature allows for easy sharing and collaboration across different tenants and allows for this to be controlled at the tenant level and the user level. What you've seen today is only the beginning of the permeability feature, and we're hoping to continue to explore and develop this exciting concept.